Chotumin yo kada fortune chotumin yo kada kawuti mayiti ngering gitu yo kada bana ban gasmalla today phone to kanang dijuang podan ikinte dalin yum gite osi yo buaten na ikin pungun pangat barba ipung pun pangkawun kanangka jatuh dangkan yum pokte ikinte tuwakai buakan ikin untin yo kada acha yoma acha nenti gina yoma buat nigin ayoma yom den wurga magaga wurga de ini gogna den wurga gina yana nyamo buat den kawajina ge the full authority stool de nyamwan yalla ngi de ngi ci pone to wogna shukran you be atanu being balkin on GL in balkin on GL you know that abun GL even again lion calf and in this junction also protocol is still protocol observe I would like to call 2 to 3 our brothers Joseph Jaben Koyakia and Michael Joseph Yida and also Tariq Arun Unobala. Two of you must welcome to stay here matter of 1 minute to 2 minutes and then we will go back. Welcome. Kabur maganin gina maga in different titles. When we talk about the titles, it is very great. One day can you stay beside them? Stay beside them.